everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and an extra special thanks to the over 8,000 of you guys who decided to join the Momentous family. Welcome to another Bargain Moments by Boothe video, where my aim here is to find the most affordable real estate in Jamaica to rent or buy and put it on display for you before others trying to buy or rent affordable real estate even have a clue. If you like this video concept, don't forget to comment down below and hit the like button too. Subscribe to this channel and turn post notifications on so you can get a leg up on the competition trying to buy or rent affordable real estate in Jamaica. But enough of the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Before we jump into today's video, I just want to preface it with: number 1, this video is for informational purposes only. Number 2, I am not a realtor. Number 3, everything that I'm going to show or tell you here is public information and I got it directly from the MLS platform. Number 4, I do not know or am I affiliated with the real estate broker or the realtor renting this property. And number 5, please do your due diligence to ensure you protect yourself in all aspects at all times. But with all of that out the way, let's jump into this video for today. Alright, so today we're heading out to the cozy and peaceful area of Red Hills, Kingston 19, to look at this 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom property that is renting for an asking price of just 75,000 Jamaican dollars, or 486 US dollars, or 621 Canadian dollars, 366 Great British Pounds, or 423 euros. The MLS number for this property is 54851, and the real estate broker that is listing this property is A.S. James and Associates Limited, and their real estate agent that is listing this property is Miss Josette Walker. You can contact her at 876-459-9250, or you can reach out to her via email at jwalker@asjamesrealtors.com. Now, let's jump into the property itself. So this particular property is a self-contained flat. It is perfect for a young professional or couple seeking a cozy spot that is secure and peaceful in cool Red Hills, Kingston. Just 5 minutes from the foot of the hill, this 1-bedroom unit is completely fully equipped with a bathroom, kitchen, and in-unit laundry, plus a drying yard, and is also fully grilled. This unit is surrounded by well-maintained grounds with access to calming mountain views. So all you have to do is to schedule a viewing today and you can make this particular property yours. So the amenities that this particular property comes with: interior does have porcelain tiles. The site influences are mountain views. It has easy access to shopping in the area, if you know it's in the Kingston area. The only drawback, I would say, it is a bit off the beaten path in a sense when compared to some other areas that are closer to the city area of Kingston, but it is only 10 to 15, if so much, away from all the things that you would want to access in Kingston. It is a private home, it has nice city views, and it is a quiet area as well. It has a nice garden area and it is grilled off. Alright, and I would recommend living in this area. This area is peaceful, it's calming, it's tranquil. this particular area is somewhere I know you guys would definitely enjoy if you lived in this particular area. And based on the price that it is actually going for, I would say it is even much more of a steal, because I've seen 1-bedroom properties in Kingston going for 100,000, 120, 150,000, even $200,000 Jamaican sometimes. And just the area itself that you're getting this property in, and the amenities that come with this property, how beautiful this property actually is, I can definitely see someone enjoying living here. But let's jump into the pictures of this property. So on the outside you can see that the grounds are well manicured. This place is somewhere you can look forward to coming home in the evenings. You can see as well that there is space for if you and your wife live there and both you guys drive, there is parking space. Also, you can see you have your own entrance to your property, so you necessarily don't have to see the owners of this space when living there. You see that everywhere is grilled. It's nicely painted on the inside, nice white tiles, nice white ceiling, and this beige wall complements everything. The windows are grilled. As you step on the inside, you can see that your kitchen is off to your right, and it is a nice little kitchen area. It comes with upper cabinetry, lower cabinetry, you have backsplash, you have your Korean countertop, you have your double bowl sink, you have your window that's next to that, so while you're washing your dishes you can see on the outside. This is your room, and this room does not look that small based on what the picture is showing. You get a window in your room, the lights are nice and bright. You get a closet area with additional space at the top to store those bigger or larger items. This bathroom is absolutely gorgeous. The sink, the toilet, everything just looks stunning in this place. Like, if I had the money, I would definitely rent this place myself. Come on, where are you getting your own laundry area? This place is so self-contained but does not lack anything at all. And to top it all off, you get this beautiful mountain view with your purchase. Come on, there's nothing more I can say about this place. I would rent it right now. Leave your comments down below on what you think about this property. Do you think that it is a good price for what you're getting? Would you rent it right now? Also, don't forget to comment down below how I can improve this segment. Thank you guys so much for watching. AB signing out.